Hi, so uh, I would like to just show you around of the new settings. So now we have actually customized your app launcher. If you click on the app launcher, you will only see NIC information, Newcomer Information Center Community, and as well as YMC Service Console. So the first one is to go to the community to see the content there. The second one is what you actually need to use every day. So what we're seeing is the home screen. Here on the top are the contacts you worked with recently, and your recent NARS and other recent records. And also you can post something there for your internal team on the right. Is one most important thing is if you do need to go on live chat after you log in, this is where you'll find your chat button. It's on the bottom left of your screen. It says Omni Channel. Now you can see the status is offline. Click on it. It opens a small window. Choose the drop down menu next to offline and change your status to available. So you can always minimize this small window so it doesn't go in your way when you're working on other records. So here you can see now your live chat status is online, and for the service console, it actually has everything you need for your everyday work. So the first one is home, as a home button, and then you can choose to see contacts, NARS, INOs, or community connection, knowledge, chat transcript, and reports. Quick text, that's what you use in chats, and also email templates. I think the next thing that we changed this time is knowledge. If we go into knowledge, so now you see the knowledge is no longer on the pink screen. That was the classic. So it's the same way that you manage your contacts and everything. So you can also create your own view, list view, if you want, or you can choose one from here. So I think the most popular one will be the NIC internal articles, and you can sort the articles by the article numbers or titles, published status. That doesn't make any sense, it's all published, but we can, if you do need to add or remove some columns, just let me know and I'll do it. I think we can add a summary or keywords here for you to see it easily. And you cannot actually use any filters here because that's a locked knowledge. And to search for knowledge, so what we did is to include a knowledge search on most of the records. For example, if I want to search for a piece of knowledge when I'm working on a client's record, so so on the left is a client's record, on the right, and that's usually the activities like the emails your other IRs sent to the client. And the second tab is called search knowledge. This is new. So if you want to search, let's say OHIP, type in your search terms. Nope. And Salesforce will recommend some articles for you. If it's already here, of course, you can just click on it. But I would suggest not to take any suggestions from Salesforce. Go to the very bottom. It says advanced search. Click on it. And then you can set some filters for your search. Because as I mentioned, now we're still working on the filtering of the knowledge. You are able to see our knowledge tab, including Next Up Canada internal knowledge articles. So just not to confuse yourself when you're doing search, always remember you put record tab, NIC internal articles. The other two, it's fine. Only when you need to search for a draft article, you need to use that. And topic, if you do know what under which topic you're searching this knowledge article for, click on it and then apply. I don't know why my browser keeps recommending different things for me. Okay, so then bring your mouse back to the search bar and click enter. So it gives you all the results that are related, and you can sort by publish date. I don't know, it still says sort by relevance. Okay, anyways, if you do want to see the detail of the knowledge article, put your mouse over it. It pops a small window to show you the details, and you can scroll it up and down to see more details. And if you want to see it in a bigger window, click on it. So it gives you a full screen. And you can see on the knowledge page, knowledge detail page on the right, you still can search for other knowledge articles. It works the same. And this feature has been added to not just contact, it's also on NARS. If you are editing a client's NARS, the search is on the right. The same thing with the INO too. This client doesn't have an INO. So if you're on INO, the search is also here. There's another way to do your knowledge search is to use the global search bar. But what I found that's interesting is the global search always doesn't work for the first time. So it's not the search doesn't work. It gives you more result than you want to filter. But here's how you do it. On the top of your screen, you see the search bar. This is where you use to search for your contacts, clients. And next to all, there is a drop-down menu. Click on all. Click on the drop-down menu. Choose knowledge. Then here, of course, Salesforce will recommend the knowledge you used recently. Don't click on any of those. Click on advanced search to specify your filters. So for example, I choose English published NIC internal article, and I want it to be settlement. I choose apply, and my search term is testing. Click enter. See, it returns Next Up Canada internal articles as well. This is the first time. But if you do it the second time, like I remove the filter and do it again. The same thing, settlement, apply, enter. Now it narrows down to just NIC. So just keep in mind of that. The first time it doesn't work. As expected,